Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix no Wi-Fi networks found on Windows 11 quickly and step by step. This issue usually happens due to disabled adapters, driver problems, or network settings error. First, restart your computer and check if networks appear again. Next, open network connections and make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and not turned off. If it's disabled, right-click it and select Enable. Now open Device Manager and expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and choose Update Driver, then select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows install the latest version. If that doesn't work, uninstall the driver and restart your PC to reinstall it. Next, open Settings, go to Network and Internet and click Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and select Network Reset to restore all network configurations. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and enter the password again. You should also check Airplane Mode is turned off from Quick Settings. Finally, restart your computer and check if Wi-Fi networks are visible. Your system should now detect available networks normally. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.